Hi, myself Srijit. I am currently pursuing in SNS College of Engineering, second year EEE. In this, we are going to show fun participation in paper presentation and like more event. Then my achievement in second prize paper presentation in KPR College. Then my projects are AI-based traffic control system, then battery monitoring system, then currently doing the project of fake detection system. Details like I was groomed in Blender, then LeetCode, then software skills like Electric Cat and Auto. Then I was interested in NGO like DLO. It was an organization like to help more people. Then awareness program. That's all. Thank you. Like Hindustan Transformer, next Innovation Control. In these two, in Hindustan Transformer company, Step Up Transformer was ready பண்றதுக்கு they were manufacturing Step Up Transformer. So I was interested in more in Transformer. Then our classmates went to Innovation Control. So in that we learned about VFD.